iAuto Premium Ultra Series Unpacking Video. The product is packaged in a wooden box, which is strong and firm, effectively preventing damage during transportation. A total of 8 movable buckles, which is convenient to open the wooden box after receiving the goods. Measure the actual size of the wooden box. The length is 60 centimeters. The width is 60 centimeters. And the height is 89 centimeters. Now open this wooden box and find out. Cut off the packaging tape. Open the movable buckle. Open the wooden box lid. Take away the buffer foam. Take a closer look at the machine. Next, we will experience the actual use effect. Let me show you the machine first. This is the accessory bag for the machine. Compared with the iAuto Premium series, it has this automatic pen changer. The front structure and the inner pen holder structure are also different. There is also a waste pen recycling port. Open the upper cover to show the inside. The structure is roughly the same as the iAuto Premium series.